What up, trusted signals, and welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go over something huge that happened, a huge pump in BTC these last following days, and trusted signals caught the move. These settings on BTC made me over 3,000 pips. I'm gonna show you my entries on MT4 alongside with trusted signals to show you reference on why I took that trade and why I'm deciding to close out these trades. But before we dive into this, all I really ask is please do give this video a like and subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends and family who are looking for a system to improve their trading. Let's go ahead and dive into this. So here's the buy signal that fired. As soon as I saw the candle close and the buy signal activate, I went to grab a long right around here. Let me just type in here the official entry, 41051.35. Hit OK. And this is where I have my final TP, and I'll tell you later on in this video why. For now, I want to show you guys this. These are the TPs. I'm going to set up the TPs from the coordinates given to you from right here. Trusted Signals gives you 3 take profits. So let's go ahead and type these in. I'm going to change the color of these. And here are the 3 take profits that absolutely smashed. Absolutely beautiful. I recommend these settings for the 1 hour. So these are 1 hour settings, and here they are. It's the V2 scalp trading. And make sure that you have your ADX filter on to 4, ADX smoothing, and length 4. Now here's why I'm taking profit. Scroll down and turn on your auto support and resistance. This is why I held to this point. You can see right here that this resistance line is to the exact point on where my take profit is. Not only do you have these 3 take profits from trusted signals, but you also have the support and resistance to give you a guide on when to take profit. If you haven't seen my support and resistance video, please do check it out so you can understand how I use these to take profit. So with that being said, let's go ahead and close these positions. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out, close, and also close this one out as well. Close, this one here too, close, and this one here too. Actually, I'm gonna only close half of my position. Close. Sweet. Now what I'm gonna do is put my stop in profit. So what I like to do here is go with my line tool here, create a horizontal ray. Now I could go into my properties, copy the coordinates of this horizontal ray, copy, just go to the bottom, hit modify, and paste. Now my stop is in profit and it's a risk-free trade. We are all set and done. That is how you trade using trusted signals with the best buy and sell settings for BTC. And if you like this video, please do give it a like and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on all the upcoming content, the giveaways, the trusted signals robot announcements, and all what's to come with being a member with Trusted Signals. Thanks once again, Trusted Signals family. Let's go!